Patiently waiting for my new lens to arrive. And I'm trying out the S-Log, which is gonna go haywire when I go up in the sun like this. But yeah. So how are you guys going? Oh my goodness, it's like, how do you lower the, there you go. So yeah, how are you guys going? Yeah, it's been quite a hectic week, and I have deadlines, and I need to finish them fast. Also, I'm practicing this 18mm focal length because I'll be using it on my new lenses coming. I'm getting an 18mm lens, and we're gonna do an unboxing once I get that. But for now, I'm trying out S-Log 3 on this A7C camera. Wonder how it goes. I don't know about skin tone. I'm gonna try to go get some light. Ooh, not bad. Anyway, yeah, so I'm just gonna do coffee. I forgot my mug. I'm gonna go back down. So yeah. So getting out there to get some coffee, and yeah. So yeah, I don't know what I'm talking about, but yeah, I'm gonna get some coffee, and I'm gonna start my day. And I'm whispering because Laura's just still asleep downstairs. It's around 9 or 10 p.m. but she has work around 4, so that's why I'm lowering my voice though. Got a bit of sun today, but yeah, my hair looks like shit. I know. So yeah, gotta make coffee. Okay, got my coffee and my sandwich. I'm going down now, and yes, let's see how this footage looks. Yeah, S-Log 3, 8-bit. Yeah. And I'm going back to the garage where I usually work. I wonder what the color is with this thing, but yeah. Hey guys, it's the 29th of August, and I just got this lens here, which I'm loving. It's a Sigma 18mm 2.8. It's just like my, yeah, it's within the range of my Tamron 1728. But the thing is, this one here is so light, so fit for my camera right now. And yeah, it's around 7 a.m. also today. I've been up all night. I've been trying to finish an assessment, and yeah, all this lockdown, all this stress has been weighing me down, and the thing is, I'm not able to write effectively until now, and today's my deadline. Well, today's my extension deadline, so I'm dead meat. But anyway, yeah, I'll try to do something. I also have some things to finish for tomorrow, and yeah, getting a bit stressed out, but yeah, we're gonna do it. We're gonna fight. I wish. Yeah, I'm just here just saying hi to you guys, and hope you're doing fine out there. As for me, I'm struggling, but still fighting. Yeah, 7 a.m. still working on this shit here, and yeah, I have an assessment to pass today, but the thing is, today's my deadliest deadline, because my deadline was supposed to be on the 27th on my dad's birthday, but I asked for an extension. Today's my extension, so I'm dead meat. Let's get this done and over with. Also, I have things to do for tomorrow, like some things I need to pass, and some things I need to update for this week. Oh man, it's this so stressful. And this lockdown is not helping. Like, the cases are not going down, and yeah, we're still in lockdown. Shit, lockdown 6 in Victoria. Anyway, yeah, we'll see how this day goes. Oh, and also my eyes hurt. Like, they hurt. Like, they hurt. I've been putting drops on it. I shouldn't sleep now. I should turn the lights back on, because I just turned it off just to vlog to you guys. Yeah, bad morning for today. I'm so sleepy, and we have 92 cases. You fucking shit. 92 cases. These assholes are shit. Okay, it's 10 p.m. and I still have a deadline. I just slept all day. Fuck. Good day, guys. Yeah, I seldom go out right now, but today I have to go out because my car, which is here, that one, is sick. So my car just got discharged. So I was trying to get in the car yesterday and then start. So I reckon it discharged. It's been discharging for me a lot of times. Might be because I haven't been using it, but yeah. So I hope this car's not gonna conk it. Anyway, good day, and it's around 7 a.m. It's cold, as you can see in my car. So yeah, it's cold. But it's nice to be outside here. I'll be finishing my stuff. I haven't had sleep yet, but I've been sleeping the whole day yesterday, so that's just fine. So let me just try to put this somewhere here. And let's check what's inside. So yeah, let's try to test the car and see if it runs and see how these goes. So yeah. Just doesn't fall off. Okay, let's go. Okay, I'm going back inside for more work and everything. Just saw two people there. They were like on snow costumes. It's not that cold, but I just saw them. They're Asians. I'm Asian. It's around 1:47. I haven't had sleep. I just folded the laundry and I'm still here. Yeah. This glass doesn't have any anti-reflection, so you see it's a lot of reflection. It's annoying. I'm so sleepy, but I need to finish a lot of things. Just got up. It's around 9 p.m. and yeah, that's the air fryer. So noisy out there behind me. Need to do a lot of things. I'm fucked up. September 1, and yeah, good. We're September. And when you look at the COVID cases, it went to 74, 76, 75, 70 something to 120. So we're fucked up. Guys, wake me up when September ends. Also, yeah, it's a bear month, so Joe Marichan will be playing, and we'll be getting the memes right now. But other than that, fuck, man. Oh well. I just wish somehow, somewhere, we're gonna ease a bit, cause yeah, I'm getting stressed out. It's getting ridiculous, guys. But it is what it is. You guys take care. Oh, okay. And one more thing. Just trying to edit what I just said earlier, and just found out that S-Log3 on an 8-bit camera like that looks good. Kind of dig it. I'll just try to check again, because I went back to what do you call this, the PP1 Cine 4, and yeah, but that's just jargon. You guys, you're not gonna care about it. Just for me to take note. Okay. So yeah, again, sorry about this blog. This is just for life documentation. Okay. See you next time.